start.
Hello, I'm Miles Tails Prower. We will learn about convex and concave mirror formula. As before, I taught you everything about optical sciences. We will show you two types, namely convex and concave mirror. In convex mirror, you can only see the virtual and erect. The object can be placed in any position, or any distance. It can only have a bulging view. On the other hand, for about concave mirrors, these cases are mentioned below. We have a center, marked as C. We have a focus, marked as F, and we have a P, marked on the surface of the concave mirror. We can find that CF is always equal to FP. Center can also be written as twice the focus, or that is 2F. The entire radius is equal to CP, as we sum up CF and FP, like R equals 2 times R by 2, as both numbers cancel out. In the zeroth case, there is no object placed, its result is only at the focal point of the concave mirror, or if the object is at the infinite distance. First case, placing the object beyond the center. The image is formed as real and inverted, between center and focal point, but begins from focal point. Second case, if the object is placed at the center, then its image forms at center, the size becomes equal to the object at C. Third case, if the object is placed between C and F, the image size becomes much larger and it forms beyond the center. Still it is real and inverted. Fourth case, if the object is placed at the focal point F, the result shows the image is infinitely large, neither you find it is real and inverted, nor is virtual and erect. And the fifth case, if the object is placed between F and the surface of the mirror P, we made it so closer. The image is formed behind the mirror, that is virtual and erect. That's how we learnt about 6 possible cases. For one thing, the distance between two edge point of a concave mirror perpendicular to the entire diameter, which is called the aperture. But it doesn't really matter how much aperture you want. The formula of a curved mirror is given by 1 by V, plus 1 by U, equals 1 by F, independent of aperture level. Where U is the distance of the object from the mirror, V is the distance of the image from the mirror, and F is the focus of the mirror. For example, making a demo to find an unknown value. If the distance of the object from the mirror, say U, is 10 centimeters and focus, say F, be 6 centimeters, find out the distance of the image from the mirror. When you solve, you get the value V as 0.067 centimeters. Easy to find out. Lastly, what happens if a mirror appears to be plane and flat? Its radius perpendicular to the surface of the mirror tends to infinity. Neither you may find the center, nor the focus, same way for the convex mirror. So this topic we have learned about convex and concave mirror formula. Like, comment, and subscribe now.